GIGAGREEN aims to transform electric vehicle battery production. As the world transitions towards using electric vehicles, the demand for suitable batteries is increasing dramatically, and battery cell production must keep up. The GIGAGREEN project created a structured research plan which will develop and scale up current wet and dry manufacturing processes for electrode and battery cell components. Following a design-to-manufacture approach, GIGAGREEN will propose sustainable and cost-effective production methods. These methods will integrate processes and materials from recycling and production chains of battery systems to create sustainable European gigafactories for the future. The project will generate battery designs that allow cells to be reused and disassembled, consequently minimising the environmental impact and energy consumption of battery production, whilst increasing cost efficiency. GIGAGREEN's innovative techniques will therefore allow for a smooth transition from current processing methods to the lithium-ion cell factories of the future, where batteries will be developed using safer, greener, better, cheaper and more flexible technologies. GIGAGREEN will put Europe at the forefront of the global market in lithium-ion battery manufacturing. It will do this by developing sustainable gigafactories for electric vehicle battery production and by leading a technological revolution that supports the next generation of electric vehicles.